Hello children, so in today's class let us learn about reflection. Look at the following beautiful sceneries in nature. They have the reflected mirror images along the dotted line. Here the dotted line is missing, so I'll draw a line, okay? So what is this reflection? What do we mean by the reflected mirror images? In the water we see our reflection. Yes, see, as you can see here, the image or the what the scenery is only this much. The actual scenery, the mountains are present only here, but because there is water below here and we can see our reflection in water, so the same scenery is reflected in the water as well. And why is it called as a mirror image? As we have discussed in the previous class, mirror image are exactly the same. So exactly the same scenery is reflected in the water. Even here we can see the scenery above the water. What is this? We are having trees and mountains. Again, due to the presence of water here, the same scenery is reflected as it is, children. It is reflected as it is in the water. So this is nothing but the reflection. Reflection can be seen in water and also in mirrors. Now look at the pictures and their reflected images. They are like mirror images. Yes. So what is this? This is the original picture and this is the reflected. Original and reflected. Original and reflected. Okay, understood. That means when you have a mirror here, when we place a mirror here, this is what you will see in the mirror. When you place a mirror here, this is what you will see in the mirror. This is the reflected image, the image that is seen in the mirror. They are like mirror images. Now you might get confused between the symmetry that we have learned and this reflected images. See children, if we have B, say the letter B, the alphabet B. What is the line of symmetry here? Here, this dotted line in the middle becomes the line of symmetry. It is dividing the given alphabet into two halves, into two mirror halves. The whole letter is already present and our line of symmetry is dividing it such that both the parts are the mirror halves of the given alphabet. Now when it comes to reflection or the mirror image, that means we have to draw what we see in the mirror. How can we see in the mirror? If you keep the mirror here, you can see that the direction is changed. Here it is be like this, right? It would be like this. Now this is the reflection of our alphabet B, or nothing but the reflected image. Understood children? Symmetry is found in the same object. The same object or in the letter itself we will find a line of symmetry such that the given alphabet or the given object is divided into two mirror halves. But here what is the reflection? Reflection is what we see in the mirror or in the water. So when we place a mirror here, this is what we see as a reflection. Okay, you can take a mirror and check for yourself to understand better children. You can take a mirror and check how is it shown in the mirror. How do we see this alphabet B in the mirror? Now that becomes our reflection. How do we see it in the mirror? Becomes our reflection. If I place the mirror here, how will it be this? It would be the same. This is how it will look. If I place the mirror here, this is how it will look. If I place the mirror here, this is how it will look. Understood children? We have to draw the opposite side. We have to draw the reflection of what we see. That is the difference between our reflected images and the symmetry. Symmetry is within the same object. We are dividing it into two mirror halves. And reflection is nothing but we are drawing the mirror image. Even here, see children, this